These exercises are for flexibility. You can use these every day. So what you're gonna do first is lie down on your back. You're gonna bring your right leg into your chest. You can grab the back of your leg, good. And then you're gonna take an inhale. As you exhale, you're gonna extend your leg up. Good, inhale, bend it into your chest. And exhale, extend it up. Good, and then here you're gonna inhale, flex your foot, and exhale, point. Good, 2 more times. Inhale, flex, and exhale, point. Last time. Good, and now you can find a neutral foot. You're gonna internally rotate your leg and externally rotate your leg. Good, nice. Very nice. One more time, let's exhale, bring the leg towards your chest. Good, and then we'll switch sides. Go ahead and bring the left leg into your chest, extending up as you exhale. Inhale, bending the knee. Good, exhale. Good. Just remember to relax your shoulders, breathing. Good, we're gonna inhale and flex, and exhale, point. Inhale and flex, and exhale, point. Good, last time. Good, and we're going to internally rotate your leg and externally rotate. Very nice, good. Good, and one last time, you're gonna bend your left knee into your chest, and you're done. Whether your day requires playing a basketball game or endless hours at your desk, these exercises you can add in every day for a little more flexibility.